Hello and welcome to Gabbett Media. I'm Grant Abbott and today we're looking at excellent Blender tutorial channels that you might not have heard of. So these are channels that might have low subscribers but still have really great content that really is worth shouting about. Some of them are very specific and very niche and therefore really useful for finding out in-depth details on those subjects. Before telling you about those channels, I'd like to tell you about a great paid-for course. This is from Shotty and MoGraphmentors, and it's learning to model, rig, texture and light appealing 3D characters in Blender. So if you want a really detailed, comprehensive guide to this subject, which can be a tricky one when you're trying to find videos on the subject on YouTube, then take a look at the links in the description. The pre-sale is currently available and you can save a lot if you sign up now. The course is geared towards intermediate and advanced users who want to learn how to model and rig quickly. The full course will launch on the 25th, so try and get in there early if you want to save some money. Now before I begin, I know I'm going to miss some out and there's probably some fantastic channels that I haven't seen or haven't remembered to put in here, so do comment below with that channel link so we can make people aware of these channels and promote them in some way. So the first on the list is 25 Games and they do game dev tutorials. There's lots of game-based tutorials on here using Unity, not just Blender. It's really well presented and really in-depth and with good detail. It's well taught, it's a really solid channel and it has commentary to guide you through. Definitely worth checking out if you're into creating assets for games. The next channel I want to talk about is Darkfall. Now they concentrate on visual effects, so there's lots of visual effects type work there. They do things like matte painting and tracking. He's also created his own node for visual effects within Blender. It's really well put together, easy to understand, and it does have commentary. So if you want to get into the visual effects scene, then this is a must-have channel on your list. Now the next one on the list is Skies LLC. It's one of the bigger channels I'm looking at today, and it's possible that you may have already heard of them. They have an excellent approach to doing really quick and precise tutorials. So this is a really good one if you want quick tips or if you want to just learn something quickly, maybe once a day, look at one of these tutorials. They're all about 1 to 2 minutes and you'll really learn something. They're all packed full of information, easy to understand, well put together. They are of course a very fast pace, so it's not for following along as such, but really excellent for quick but in-depth tips. The next channel is Top Channel 101. Now this is a very good channel with really detailed, comprehensive tutorials. So as opposed to Skies LLC, which are super fast and super quick, these are more of a you could follow along style. So if you want a tutorial where you can see exactly what you're going to create at the end and you can follow along, learn lots along the way, then this is the channel for you. They've also started doing live streams recently, so it's well worth having a look and you can ask some questions there as well. So the next channel is Neill. Now there's not a huge amount of content on here, but what there is absolute gold. The videos are really good quality. Dylan obviously has industry experience and he's really professionally put together these tutorials. Now here's another interesting one called CrossMine Studios. It's very detailed, there's an industry perspective, really great content. It has a product design and motion graphics focus, and the outcomes are very professional. They're very long tutorials, so you can really get into the detail and understand all the techniques that are used. The next one on the list is Level Pixel Level. They have a focus on modeling and rigging. It's again really excellent in terms of detail, really easy to understand, a great deal of content on there, and they're using grease pencil in some of them, which not many people are doing. Some fantastic tips and tricks in there, especially with regards to rigging. Here's another channel that is game development focused. It's called Devenabled. They do coding as well as Blender, and they also do tutorials on how to get your game assets into Unreal Engine and Unity. What's great about this is that not many people are doing the Unreal and Blender combination, so this is a must-watch if you're looking to combine the two. They do a full game asset workflow and they use programs like Substance Painter as well. So for the last one, a bit of a wild card here. There's only 786 subscribers at the moment. This is someone's channel. So this channel may not have the most detailed, comprehensive guides, and it doesn't even have commentary, but what it does have is hard surface modeling techniques, which I would say are fairly rare. So it takes simple objects, breaks them down, and tells you how you can go about modeling them. Unlike many tutorials like this, it's not in a time-lapse format, so it's real time, and it's just going through slowly how to make hard surface models. So there's my finished list. I think there's a few there that you probably haven't heard of. I think all these channels are worth at least checking out and subscribing to, and then you can support those artists and tutorial creators. Therefore, we'll get more of them on the scene and develop this wonderful community that we have. Make sure you leave a comment on one of their videos and let them know how appreciative you are. And of course, let me know if I've missed any out that you think are absolute gems that other people may not have heard of. Do look at the comments as well and see what other people are saying. So as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.